You would never onboard a developer by pointing at a repository and saying, "Figure it out." Yet that is often how agents receive multi-file work. So what must your repository explain before you trust an agent to change the code? Start with scope. A focused function may fit inline generation. When work spans multiple files or becomes a migration, use an agent. Broader changes require the assistant to navigate more repository relationships, making explicit context more important. A persistent onboarding document carries three kinds of knowledge: architecture, dependencies, and durable instructions. These are standing facts and expectations that should not need to be reconstructed for every task. But repository context is not a task brief. Every assignment still needs a bounded objective, guidance about which files should change, and acceptance criteria. The repository explains the environment. The brief defines the change. And complex work should not jump directly from brief to code. Have the agent develop a plan, review it, and revise it before implementation. At that gate, check the plan against repository context, file, scope, and acceptance criteria, while mistakes are still in the plan. Passing the planning gate does not make the code safe to merge. Validate AI-generated code with human review, automated tests, linting, code scanning, and IP scanning. Context guides the change. Verification tests the result. Then measure whether the workflow helps. Suggestion, acceptance, and generated code volume measure activity. Judge adoption through delivery and quality outcomes instead. The complete workflow has 4 layers: persistent context, a bounded task, a reviewed plan for complex work, and a verified result. Each layer has one job, and none replaces the next. So what should the repository tell the agent? How the environment works, its architecture, dependencies, and durable instructions. Document that once. Brief each task separately. Review the plan when the work is complex. Then verify the result. Give the next agent a real first day and make it earn your trust.